In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in Jira Cloud. If you're managing a team in Jira, you'll know that adding the right people to your projects is crucial for collaboration and progress. Let's walk through this process together to ensure your team is all set to tackle their tasks efficiently. We'll start by heading to the admin site. Open your browser and go to admin.atlassian.com. This is your main control panel where you can manage everything. Once you've arrived at the admin site, you'll need to select your organization. This step is quite straightforward. Just click on the name of the organization you wish to administer. This action will take you into the hub of your organization's settings. Next, to find your users, click on the directory option. This section houses all the user management options you'll need. Once you're in the directory, navigate to the users list page. Here you'll see a list of everyone who already has access to your organization's Jira site. Now, to add a new user, look for the Invite Users button. Clicking this will open a new window where you can start entering user details. You'll need to type in the email address of the new user you want to add. This email address will serve as their login ID for accessing Jira, so make sure it's correct. After entering the email address, it's time to manage product access. Choose the products the user should have access to from the products access list. Depending on your Jira setup, these products might include Jira Software, Jira Service Management, or any other Atlassian products your organization uses. It's important to carefully select the right products to ensure the new user has access to the tools they need, but no more than necessary. You also have the option to add the user to additional groups. This is especially useful if you want to streamline permissions management. For example, you might have different groups for developers, project managers, and testers, each with specific access privileges and settings. Adding users to the correct groups can save time and maintain your system's security. Moving on, there's an option that allows you to deselect the Send Invitation checkbox if you do not want to send an automatic invitation email to the user. This might be useful if you prefer to send a customized invitation later or discuss the onboarding process first. Finally, once everything looks good, hit the Invite Users button to complete the process. The new user will receive an email invitation to join the Jira Cloud site unless you chose not to send one. That's it. You've successfully added a new user to your Jira Cloud environment. This process not only ensures that your team members have the access they need, but also maintains a structured and secure approach to user management within your organization. Thanks for joining me today, and happy managing.